Myrtle Allen was an Irish Michelin star-winning head chef and co-owner of the restaurant The Yeats Room at Ballymaloe House in Shanagarry, County Cork. Besides her career in cooking, she had also been a writer, hotelier, and teacher. Myrtle Hill was the daughter of Henry Houghton Hill, granddaughter of Arthur Hill, and great-granddaughter of Henry Hill, all respected architects in Cork. She was a member of the Religious Society of Friends. In 1943, Myrtle Hill married Ivan Allen, a vegetable grower, who was working at the farm Kinnoith in Shanagarry. In 1947 the couple bought Ballymaloe House and the surrounding farm. Ivan managed the fruit and vegetable farm and worked on Kinnoith, while his wife took care of the children and the manor. Later, in 1958, Ivan Allen inherited Kinnoith from Wilson Strangman, the deceased owner. As her husband was a successful grower of fruit and vegetables, she had an abundance of fresh products in her kitchen. Under the guidance of her husband, an avid gourmet, she learned to cook by taking cooking courses at the School of Commerce and self-study. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.